Hi everyone. Today I am going to be doing two blooms on I'm going to be making coasters on these tiles that I have. I usually tape the back, so I'm going to be using those. These are all the colors that I'm using. This one here is the second one. The first bloom, I'm going to be using this little Pigments. This one is Blue Eyes, Maraschino, Inferno, Twinkle, and Boogie. And I'm using Josanya Yellow Light acrylic paint. This is Pabio Payne's Gray. And for my second bloom, I'm going to be adding this color here. It's a Amsterdam Blue Light. And my Cell Activator are going to be white and black. Okay. The pouring medium I'm using today is a mixture of Behr 8300 untinted paint, and also Polycrylic for the varnish. So it's 1 part Polycrylic and 2 parts Behr, and then I mix that with the paint or pigments, and then I add a little bit of my water varnish mix if it's too thick, to thin it down a bit. My Cell Activator is 1 part American FLOETROL and 1 part ZINSSER latex extender. I mix those two together and then I add it to my paints, and then I adjust it to how thick or thin I want them. I don't really measure. Okay, so that's all my paints and everything. So I'm going to be using my mini blower to blow out the bloom. I can't use my breath anymore. I got vertigo, really bad vertigo from the last time I did a bloom, so I have to use these from now on, or a straw, or I'm going to be using one of these as well, but not today. Okay, so that's how I'm going to blow out my blooms. And that's it. So I will begin, and I will play a little bit of music, background music for you while I do my bloom. Okay, enjoy.